attention, 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 attendance, 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 attentive, 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 attendant, 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 attend, attend, attend. This is ten, 10. This is at, attend, attend. Okay, we have attention, attendance, attentive, attendant, attend. Hi, if you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here, this is what we do. Today we are trying to see if actually we have been perfecting the sound, if actually we are mastering the sounds. Okay, I don't know if you have been trying the sounds. The essence of we trying out all the sounds you have been in previous videos is just for us to know how to pronounce words, because English works this way. If you are able to recite the 26 letters of English language, you move to 2-letter pronunciation, then to 3-letter pronunciation, 4, 5. Okay, so when you are able to pronounce the 2-letter and the 3-letter, I always tell you guys that the combination of 2-letter, that is 2-letter combination, baby, A plus B, that gives you ba. Okay, so by the time you keep combining letters, this letter and this letter will give you a particular sound. We've been doing that. In case you're just joining me, check out our previous videos. We have lots of videos for the sounds. Okay, so that's how letters are formed. You start from letters recitation, you move to combination, that is the digraph, combination of 2 letters, you move to trigraph, combination of 3 letters. So when you are able to combine those letters and you are able to pronounce the sounds, that is just the magic that happens right here. Okay, if you look at these words we have right here very well, you're going to see that all the sounds we have here, we have actually touched them. Yeah, we have. So let's progress with what we have today, which is pronunciation of words. Let's go. We have pension, pension. This is pen, this is Sean. If you have been following me, we have treated all this like this ending part, and we call them the surface part, and we have treated equally most of the beginning part, the prefix side. So we have pen and Sean gives us pension. We have pentagon, pentagon, that is pentagon, pendant, pendant. Now if you look at this place, this is dant, this is dant. The only thing differentiating these two is this. Now if I choose to bring this 10 to this place, it's going to be tendant, tendant, tendant. That is how English words are formed. That is why I keep emphasizing on we understanding, knowing how to pronounce those combinations. That is why I keep like organizing those kind of videos. Once you are able to master this, if you know that this is E and this is X, the next thing you should know is how to pronounce them. In a video before this one, I treated these letters, how they are being pronounced. Like there are different ways of pronunciation. In case you're just seeing this for the first time, you can check them out. So let's go on. I have pendant, pencil, pencil, penny, penny. We have this one, expensive, expensive, expense, 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 expenditure, expenditure, expenditure. We have attention, attendance, attentive, attendant, attend, pension, pentagon, pendant, pencil, penny. We have expensive, expense, expenditure. Now to this side we have extent, extent, extension, extension, extensive, extensive, extended, extended. We have sentence, sentence, sentiment, sentiment, sensation, sensation, scent, scent. Now you can see that these sounds are actually being organized. We pair them and we bring them together, like we organize them according to their sounds. Okay, this is sen, this is tense, we have sentence put together. This is sentiment, sentiment. We have lots of video pertaining to these sounds. Okay, I think we have virtually done all the sounds we have right here on this board except few of them. All right, so we have length, length, length. We still have length, length, length. Now these two lengths are just not the same thing. They don't mean the same thing, but this is not what we're going to be talking about today. Today is basically for pronunciation. We have bent, bent. Now take a look at this place. We have length. The T actually changed this. We have length. This is L, it becomes len. This is B, it becomes ben. Okay, but the en is the actual focus for today's video. Okay, so we have bent. That is the bench, bench. Okay, now we have dentist, dentist. This is den. The difference between this and this is actually D and B. This is D, den. This is B, ben. Okay, we have dentist, dentist, Denmark, Denmark, Dennis, dense, dense. Now right here, I kind of did a kind of alphabetical thing right here, excluding those ones that don't have meaningful words. Okay, so let's read them together. We have meant, meant, gender, gender. This is M and this is G, so we have mender, gender. Lender, this is L, lender, gender, mender. Okay, we have bender, sender, tender, render, zender. Okay, so we have mender, zender, lender, bender, sender, tender, render, zender. Are we good? So let's go over it together, and this time you're going to be pronouncing alongside with me. Let's go. We have attention, attendance, attentive, attendant, attend. Okay, pension, pentagon, pendant, pencil, penny. So we have together, we have attention, attendance, attentive, attendant, attend. Pension, pentagon, pendant, pencil, penny. Expensive, expense, expenditure, extent, extension, extensive, extended. We have the next right here. Sentence, sentiment, sensation, scent. Okay, so we have put together sentence, sentiment, sensation, scent. Length, 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 length. We have bent, bent, bench, bench, dentist, dentist, Denmark, Denmark, Dennis, Dennis, dense, dense. Now look at this place. We have expense, expense. This is dense, dense. And right here, mender, gender, lender, bender, sender, tender, render, zender. Okay, you can go over it again on your own and tell me how many you are able to pronounce right in the comment section. And here we call it short for today's video. In case you're seeing me for the first time, welcome to the channel. Right here, this is what we do. We learn how to read, write, and speak. And if you find what we do interesting, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to keep staying safe. See you soon in our next class, and bye for now.